Hello and welcome to SoilMate. Today we are going to look at trend analysis or exporting our results to Excel. So from the main SoilMate program, we're going to click on Lab Results, and then along the top little ribbon toolbar, we're going to click on Export Results/Trend Analysis. From here, you can choose which trading name you'd like to export your results from, and you can narrow that down to trading name, farm, and then paddock. So I'm going to select my Avonlea and leave all other options selected. I'm going to click on Next. Now we need to choose our date range from and to for our export. So I'm going to go back a few years. Go from January to today and then click on Next. At this point, we get to choose what we want to export. So at the moment, we've got options for soil, plant tissue, plant sap, and water. I'm going to look at soil tests only. So I'm going to deselect plant tissue, plant sap, and water. You can select all if you want to export everything. In this case, I think I might just choose a few. So I'm going to export nitrate results, pH results, and EC results. Click on Next. At this point here, you can select an evaluation table, and what this will do will give you your sufficiency ranges that are available to compare your results to. So I might just select a wheat evaluation table and then click on Next. At this point here, you can choose how you want this to export. So I am going to generate my trend analysis chart. And for this one, I'm going to generate it by sampling date. I've also got the option here to generate graph per paddock. So I'm going to leave this as these options here, sampling date and generate graph per paddock, and click on Finish. So this will process the information that it needs to export. So you just need to wait a little second, and then it's going to ask us to save that to the server. Okay, so when we save this to the server, we need to save to the downloads location, and then we're going to give it a name. So I'll call it 141024 trend and click on Save. It'll say here export to Excel successful, and we just click on OK, and then we can cancel out of that prompt. Our next step is to download that data from the server to our computer. So in the bottom right corner here, next to the yellow shield, your first icon is a download option. So we'll single click that. Make sure we go to the downloads folder, and we're going to click the file that we want to retrieve and click open. That's going to open up the top here. So I'm just going to click on that to open the file and confirm the prompt. And have a look at our data. So I can see here there's not too many results available from what I've exported, but I do have my upper and my lower limits from my evaluation tables on some of these results. If I click along to sheet 1, I'll see my raw data. So in this raw data, I can see that I have exported results for 10 different samples. I can see their farm, barcode. Let me make that a bit smaller. Depths, if I did have longitude and latitude recorded against them, I would see those results in here. Sampling date, and then you can use your Excel knowledge to manipulate this in any way you want to. So if these graphs on the first page, the auto-created graphs don't suit, simply use the raw data to rearrange as required. Have a great day.